In this video, we're going to build number counts in Webflow, very commonly used to show how many cups of coffee Webflow developers drink to finish a project. This component is free to use in the Finsweet Components App. In Webflow, go to Apps, launch Finsweet Components. Select number count. Change the start value. Let's change it to 10. Then change the end value. The end value can be changed in the preview panel or in the text element that will be generated by the app. Duration is the time of the animation. And in locale, you can update the format of the number based on different locations. For example, in Brazil, they use dots. And in Japan, they use commas. In case you want to use the browser's locale, keep Auto selected. Select the body or an empty div block. Click on Create Number Count and confirm. Publish your project. And it's working. OMG, this is so easy. Why are we even recording a tutorial for this? Want to change the end number? Change the text content. Want to use CMS content? Connect with your CMS field. Want to allow your marketing team to change the end value? No problem, they can update the number using the Webflow editor. Now, let's test using Scroll into View. That means starting the animation only when the number is visible on the screen. Select the number. Open the app. Go to Number Count. Now you are in Edit mode. Select Scroll into View. Change Threshold. For example, 50% means the animation starts when half of the element is visible on the screen. Click on Reset Animation. This will reset the animation when the user is out of the view. Click on Update Number Count and confirm. Now you will see that the animation only starts when the user is in the view and resets when the user is out of view. That is sweet.